Hello, ako po si Gerald, nagbabalik. Welcome back po sa aking channel, Gerald's TV. At ngayon, araw po ng Martes, July 20th, 2026. At ngayon, magre-review tayo finally ng ating AR9. It's been a while kasi wala akong time sa pag-review. At ngayon, day off ko. I-share ko ngayon kung ano yung aking perceptions sa pagbili ng aking or opinion pagbili ng aking AR9 pistol. At bago ko umpisahan ang video na to, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, Gerald's TV. Click lang yung subscribe button at notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking latest vlog. Alright, so ito po ang ating AR9 pistol. At yung barrel niya po is 10 inch. Tapos meron siyang Picatinny rail, paglagyan ng optics or red dot at saka flashlight at kung ano pa. Tapos, ang nozzle niya is para siyang suppressor or silencer. Pero hindi siya silencer. Ganyan lang po ang kanyang nozzle, pero ang ganda ng kanyang itsura. So, bali ang AR9 ay 9mm. This one is made in the USA. Gawa po dito sa Estados Unidos ang baril na to. So, meron siyang 30 rounds na Glock magazine. Ito po yung kanyang bala. At empty po ang kanyang chamber, just to let you know. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng red dot. Pursuit po yung tatak niya. Tapos nilagyan ko sa ng riser ng kanyang optics. And then, ito po yung kanyang magazine release. At meron po siyang safety. So, it's either fire or safe. And then, of course, yung charging handle na niya. Napaka-cute. At madali lang siya isa. Kasi lubricated po siya ng langis. So, nung binili ko, wala siyang optics, tapos iba yung kanyang brace, so pinalagyan ko siya ng better brace, which is good for mas maganda yung kanyang respond para malesen yung kanyang recoil. So, ang bala niya ay 9mm. So, papakita ko sa inyo, which is ito. At bumili rin tayo ng actually reloader, fast reloader. Pakita ko rin kung paano mag-reload. So, pasok mo yung bala dito, and then put this, and then press it. Ayan. So, ang Freedom Ordnance po ay isang brand, famous brand for firearms dito sa Estados Unidos. Bali po itong type na to is for like competition type. Pero sa akin lang, it's just for fun and home defense. When I say for fun, it's for the gun range, you know, practice shooting. At napakaganda. So ang red dot niya ay ready to go. You don't need to turn it on. And then, simple lang. At napaka-pogi ng kanyang itsura. Yung kanyang built, especially on the barrel side. It's actually very simple and it's gorgeous rifle pistol. Napaka ergonomics, napakaganda, napakadali niyang i-shoot. At recoil wise, it's not that strong. Meron lang siyang a little bit kick. Ayan, na-test ko na ito or nasubukan ko na to multiple times in firing range. Pwede niyong i-review yung aking previous vlog. Sa firing range gamit nito ay napakaganda yung kanyang performance. Yeah, performance wise, it's 100% accurate. I didn't experience any, or hindi ko na experience yung kanyang nung may stuck yung bullet niya sa chamber, or hindi siya pumutok. Everything is perfect, you know. Wala siyang jam, yun yung ibig kong sabihin. Tapos madali siyang ikasa. Proper maintenance lang ang kailangan pag magkaroon ka ng ganitong pisto. Tapos napakagandang kanyang red dot. Ayan, napakamura lang nito. Pinili ko sa Bass Pro Shop, which is like $60. Pero wala siyang riser. So ayan, so simpleng-simple lang po ang ating AR9. At sana nagustuhan yung review. Hindi siya ganong kalalim na review, pero gusto kong ipakita kung gaano kaganda itong pistol na to. Simple, brief review. There's not much to talk about it, but it's just super simple, built, and it's amazing to collect this kind of pistol as a home defense and just for fun, going at the firing range. Ayan, so salamat po sa panonood, at we'll see you again in the next vlog. At huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, Gerald's TV. Click on yung subscribe button at notification bell para ma-notify sa latest vlog. A peace. See you. Stop recording. Stop recording.